What's up? Hey fam, it's your boy Rahul back with another video, and you already know what kind of video is gonna be, looking at all the accoutrements I have going on here. But it's one of my favorite activities on planet Earth, arguably. But it's unboxing sneakers. And what do we have for you today? Well, today we have the very special Air Jordan 1 Lucky Greens, also known as the Boston Celtics. Well, why is it known as the Boston Celtics, right? So this sneaker celebrates Michael Jordan's legendary 63-point game against the Celtics. So this is a game 2 of the 1986 Eastern Conference quarterfinals, and Michael Jordan single-handedly dropped 63 points against the Celtics. So, couple quick facts here, right? So Michael Jordan was only 23 when he played this game, and in the regular season, right, leading up to the playoffs, he had played only 18 games because he had a broken foot or something. So the fact that he even came to playoffs, right, and dropped 63 points again in one game is mind-blowing. And the second fact here is that Michael Jordan did so against the Celtics team, which had 4 Hall of Famers at that point of time in its starting lineup. It had Larry Bird, Kevin McHale, Robert Parrish, and I believe it was Dennis Johnson, right? So, I mean, the buck drops at Larry Bird, you can't get better than that. So Michael Jordan scored 63 points against these 4 Hall of Famers who are part of the Celtics. And the other important fact to note is that record that Michael Jordan dropped that day, right, 63 points in the NBA playoffs, is a record that still holds good today. So no other NBA player since then has been able to score more than 63 points in a playoff game ever. And it's also got to be said that most of this game, right, if you actually go back and watch the game, Michael Jordan never did any 3-pointers. I believe they were like 22, no, they were like 41 shots attempted within the 3-point line, and he got 22 of them correctly, and he got 19 of 21 free throws, so no 3-pointers there at all. And his 63 points was 48% of his team's total 131 points in the game. And yeah, it sucks that despite all his efforts, the team actually, that game, they actually lost against the Celtics, who scored 135. But Michael Jordan's record is simply unbeatable. So this is the box, and the number one question on your mind is, well, why it's so small, right? Because this sneaker is not for me, it's for a pretty special person, somebody else. But so these are the legendary AJ1 Lucky Greens. And I didn't get the highs, I got the lows for this, just because yeah, it wasn't really a sneaker for me, and wasn't sure if the other person would like highs. But this is how the sneaker itself looks, and as you can see, it's a colorway that, yeah, people have been wanting since forever, right? And in terms of AJ1 lows, right, this is as standard as it gets, I guess. It has your regular Air Jordan written on the back. It has the Nike swooshes on the sides, and the quality of leather per se is pretty good. There's good quality of black leather, and there's green leather, and it has the green outsole. And in terms of wear testing, a couple of my friends have wear tested this to basketball games, and it's really good. So on the inside, right, it has a really thick tongue, and we see this Jumpman logo right here. You'll be able to see it when I zoom in. But the sneaker itself, yeah, pretty cool sneaker, and it's more fact than the sneaker itself that makes this so legendary. But yeah, now let me just zoom in on this. Alright fam, so this is how the sneaker looks close up. As you can see, it's pretty cool, especially with the bright green standing out from the black leather. And as you can see, the sneaker is pretty standard in terms of Air Jordanness. We have the Jordan logo on the back, pretty cool, and we have the Jumpman here, and we also have the Jumpman on the sole, as you can see inside. And the shoe itself has like a really thick tongue, if you can tell from this. yeah, that's how the shoe feels on hand. You can see the outsole, pretty standard pattern with all these special grip thingies that are shaped like stars. Yeah, just gonna spin the sneaker around so you can have a better look there. But yeah, that's how it looks. Alright fam, that wraps up today's video. Hope you all enjoyed, because I really enjoyed unboxing these and just knowing the myth or the history behind this. So yeah, and as usual, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because your support is what keeps this channel going. Until next time, ciao.